Coming from the Race Kawasaki Instagram as of today with quote, following his qualifying crash in Glendale, number 98 PC race team rider Drew Adams will undergo surgery to repair a broken collarbone. We'll share updates on his recovery and return timeline as soon as more details are available. Now, funny enough, I'm reading from Verb right here. Quote, it might be time to believe the pro circuit curse is real. I don't know what Mitch Payton has done to deserve this, one after another. And it seems to be very true. I mean, there isn't a year in recent history where pro circuit has not had massive injury problems, whether that's McAdoo, Faulkner, Volland. Now, this year you've got Masterpool with his fill-in ride. You had Marchbanks with a shoulder injury. He's back racing, but still injured. Now Drew Adams with the broken collarbone. And I'm assuming if they don't have a timeline, he's probably not going to be racing for a while. Now, the only good thing is, as of right now, the next round is in the East. And I think, correct me if I'm wrong on this, but the West gets, was it 2 or 3? 3 weeks off, I believe. So hopefully, knock on wood, he can have the collarbone shirt surgery, get a plate and some screws and whatever they're gonna do to it, and take a week or two off, get back on the bike, and maybe we'll see him in the next West round. Who knows on that? Maybe they sit him and say, there's no point in testing that and possibly injuring you further. We'll just see you, for motocross outdoors. It all, I guess, depends on how he feels, how the healing's going. If he gets back on the bike and they have him on a test track, what they can see, what he tells them, and from there, who knows? It's just, it sucks, man. Think Marchbanks got hurt, Levi Kitchen moved over to the east. Well, Levi, let's just start here. Kitchen moves over to the east. Masterpool comes over to fill in for him. He gets hurt. Then Masterpool gets hurt. Now Adams is hurt. It's just the West is really, really injury depleted at the moment. And as a 16-year-old kid making his pro debut in Anaheim 2, he finished 8th, I believe, and then he qualified 6th in Glendale. So he had a pretty good start. Top 10 first race, and then qualifying better in the next one. Who knows how it would have gone for him, but it was promising looking. Obviously, you look at the Yamaha side of things, Cole Davies proving that you can be a rookie and be incredibly competitive, let's put it that way. But sucks to see. I mean, like I always say, you want the most people racing at the highest level to make the best product for everybody to watch, or just, competitive side wise. And I mean, obviously at 16, he's going to have, years to come. This is an experience year at best. I doubt they expected very much of him at all. But he did say on his Instagram, quote, it's all part of the journey, they say. I made a small mistake in Q1 and ended up on the ground. Thank you to the Alpine Stars medic crew and my team for the support. I'll get this shoulder fixed and be back as soon as possible. So hopefully, collarbones obviously are not the worst injuries in the world. You've seen people, I mean, look at Cody Schock a couple years ago. He broke it, and the next week he raced. So if Drew Adams has a couple weeks off to heal, uh, hopefully we'll see him back. But who knows on that? If we get an update, I'll make another video and let you guys know. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. First round of the East, who's going to win? Who are you excited to see? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.